Sompa TV soon when you go ya ushe kasi boy ubetie bi o Sompa 90.7 Sompa 93.1 Sompa 98.9 Samuel ubetine kasi bono emu be Ghana man pengini na nadu dan kwa Akufo-Addo be mabwada ene woka sei se kanea na wode no ebegyina so
TUC chwa for penny wode nsambi to Ghana man penny na nadu dan kwa Akufo-Addo enim
cross sack for kasa se wa makwan aban obeba aban obeko mane sisa party chitafo nwura Benjamin
asante mantem UCG adwumakuo no ekyerese de omoyeye no enwa no mokọ manimu no
asante mantem na no dweso twemo abato ekoso adam de agie bi onsam sabre panipa bi akasa
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia thankra for the NPP amonyoko no ne nto abono namu o nkramantam no mu
race course bantamane so ame adwadifo ema bi no so eka nsembi kase boy ye de besomo wo hini ni amakrancha na zo a usof mami premier ni emene
nana kwabena kese
enra no yesi wo ya wo kai enyumayefo eduru okotoni aboso ni de di kan dia na chese ya fofida nam so magana mampanyini na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo commander in chief wakasa wase ya wo chiremu se de na nansen kanea no prefo ni so no sabre de ne nyina atem se din na satiti wo bremu pa ye be kodum so mu be se vinhiedu nan no de akwai se mizirimu fo am hu omunei nya de Ghana fo nso ebe hunu se biem o kan se mu we ya na de di kan no na eye trade union congress panipa Dr. Yaban edi kan ka ho asem ena mampani de beto aso a wo chiremu se nyema nyina agu akwa mu dum so bie no a eba.
Mr. President, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all Ghanaians for their patience and understanding during recent temporary challenges with the electricity supply across the country. Over the period, the issues surrounding maintenance of transformers and gas supply have been successfully resulting in a sufficient improvement in power supply reliability. Indeed, over the past few days, we have witnessed stable electricity supply across the country, with no load shedding reported anywhere yesterday. For the past 7 years, we have worked tirelessly to keep the lights on, and I am confident that the unfortunate era of doomsday will not return. President, Secretary General, as we stand on the threshold of a new era in human evolution.
Ghana mampanyini na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo be mabwada commander in chief ene yetene nkan wo wie ya woto anasam so biem ene o se de nyina ye nim no afie ya bato afe na waka ni pre nye se pre mfa o se abato na sumdwe nko a ene be fa ne ntoma pa bi nso ede efra obi ani adaje ya ekwatwe ma ene agam ede akwa atwede eyeto nato na obi anto na yanku yanim na wo wie no ene wo de krakra mu no ene wo chiechie mu a na wo ka se nanu de yakwa jeso a yante chechire me yanti jami asumdwe no sa ne betra ka o mamu no nyina.
It is imperative that we recognize the crucial importance of maintaining peace and stability throughout the electoral process. Elections are the cornerstone of democracy, providing a platform for the expression of the popular will and for the peaceful transfer of power when required.
Mampanyini
Avema yanko na yankotie ensamu a Dr. Yaban ono na ye TUC General Secretary bra na ode nsam no eto mampani na do danko Akufo-Addo anim efa enkane no said beya ebetimi agina so benya kwan na ode aye adwuma no ho.
The first appeal is about the International Labour Organization Convention 190 concerning violence and harassment at work. Mr. President, we believe that Ghana can ratify Convention 190 now. My second appeal is about doomsday. Mr. President, it is regrettable that the people of Ghana have to experience doomsday again after all what we went through in the past. Please do something about doomsday now.
na eno achi no wode kakra to so ekere sese nkane ano ahode no wo famu a emma kwan ma wo bi a wo hia kane ne bi dia ye adwuma no watimi aye adwuma no sade obenya sika na mpo wate bi e de ato so be ya wo chena bi no so kɔ ne nkokora bo ma na se bi na homegye mu a na wanya kakra e de ato ho de atwitwa no ho eno so kakra e de fa ho.
We expect the same treatment for those who retired in 2021, 2022 and 2023. Comrades, we will not rest until all eligible retirees receive their lump sum top-ups. Chairman, before I conclude, I would like to bring to the attention of our president that organized labor, we are concerned about a number of things. The first one has to do with the delay in the payment of pension contributions to second-tier schemes.
Ene ya etwaguye TUC Church for Penny Dr. Yao ba
Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana CLOSAC one so kasa adwumadie no ase ka kire aban ye beba ne aban ye bekro se ye to abawie na se ne aban fufuro saban dada o nya de ayema kwan ne akosisa party aparachiki sibiada eduoma bewurawura amanyuma mu owura bampo adro eno de asemi e de tu o manim so mo makwan na makwan kina sanse bewiase a nipa no onum adwuma no re so amanyosem ti ne de na kwa akowura mu na fe wo se niema o se wo mo so ni wo mo nkrofo wo ma ye kradro sa ban biada ono no ewo enyumayefo ewo dadwe ye da wo makoma so no wono na beto abai e de ama won enu amede adwumadie ye ko so kotoni ma boso ni de di kan asema no okasa won election 2024 the role of workers and social partners in securing peaceful election for national development.
Since 2017, CLOSAC has continued to draw attention to the inimical impact of replacing active staff of the civil and local government services with political appointees and putting such appointees in positions which are the exclusive reserve of the staff of the civil and local government services. The observation is that the unprofessional performance of these political appointees, coupled with the blatant disregard for laid down procedures, have contributed immensely to the poor state of the economy. Considering the large number of political appointees at the Ministry of Finance, for example, who have taken over the functions of active civil servants, it is no wonder that their bad decisions have culminated in the economic chaos of the country. There are also instances of party activists interfering in the work of the staff of the civil and local government service. An extreme case is the harassment of a district coordinating director who was literally dragged out of his office by party activists. There are also instances of lockouts and assaults of staff of the district assemblies across the country by party functionaries. These irresponsible acts are as a result of the disregard for the principles of neutrality, anonymity, and permanence.
Wey eya CLOSAC jumedia say rabampo ado ene etene
asantemantam so afo ye Simon wo say mensa ene ECG adwumako no sansam de edika kyeremu e de akyerema no adadwumayefo da no edwabo ekoso ma ebra yewura agi akasamu ana obekasa no ena adwumayefo no efirase na adwumayefo no firase ne semtrofo nso ye ni bo won so ama yehu de ekoso no ntinam so bi ama ye ne yewura Bismarck Adoma one national vice chair edma ECG adwumako no mpanifo na ewumu no ena ebusa ne se na course na den na ese
that no action na they can say on to say we get minister be fire cho be case be hospital no no machine introduce so be ka side na on ka say be dia wa ye one ka say nche say dia we ni ni ho ana say wa ni ni usu sansu bia wo ashanti zintin ha anything and all the kasa you sorry free or no. We protested to the whole gathering day that we told Sompa what we said. The minimum until you be free or kasa we any baba. I will be about free and so person city at the no. Odiamo. I can you should pray statement to be pure person who be whom I can. And then you see the video organ we are Panamina. They are called from outside the country to be PR we are seeing and the country be a camera because be organized or to watch it.
Yeah, quite a sample from.
Yeah, quite a name. I want some from Nano Chamaba talk or so just so young and say, Mnache Jenny, you are lawyer, Pochakuma, Bama work could do for Netty and when Seduntina see a Pumabishemu. Nebra Batuan, cost one a bit to just say, Emra Sebe Janibia coin for Pubidia to table, so the Amabato, commissaire my phone, Eddie, who yakakra, Eddie Abo Menim, City Faba Montesua Babecasa. So I yes, I know, I say you should move, Natuna son when I can say an aquabana. Ya wano ye program director Edima CDD Ghana wano no waka saying na isi fo di kaba Montreal se waya asem no hwehwemu ni nyina ne so owura isem rokodu wono eno busa abato adwuma e fone sama didi eno mse ni di no so ene amonye na wiai mori akwa akoto aduane adi na so owura brampa se we no ese de komam na chebejafo no mso ye mu hwehwemu
of politics and the express calculate and sign will be and go through primaries now to you win primaries na on my contest on the constituency and some of the parliament a kind of the so kind of abuse of friends and the cost of things. And I mean, did you say the dia in Maria Marie? I quite say, well, we need to show 6 year old. The rest will be 2 year olds. Also, because we need the also a compact. And no, I came here and I fight against vigilantism, no, agent, and because we be taking different advantage at the boosty or no chances against here. Probably a disadvantage in that direction. The disadvantage say we need connection. We need to talk from money. And no, I didn't want to come about police center. No, it's when Ghana. No, I clearly say if a parliament that's what we do because I always mention names when the police are actually face investigations and then it's actually truly. Anytime we say that yes, but when it's a media platform being a mabude, quite so MP. He is not about the law. In fact, he is the person who's supposed to know better. He's only the same number in the show. It's not like a yes sir, not SSA. The second they suspending election staff. You know, the moment police investigation to Mr. Pete released by.
Wey ya papa nom ya almost CDD penny bako ene etineka
Ghana man penny abedi eche Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia wode ne ntoabo no enamu won crime tam no mu na wakopiemu e wodome kwabenya ene ne mpotemu ama manfo abo agene so pa ebra wokọ no enipa pi ena edi na chiri Samia Wukunum ena afeso Carlos Kingsley Ahenkra nom ena afenso so no Divine Otu ene mpanifobia eka no ho Dennis Miracle abo agene mu nyina na woka ho ensam pi ena yewura no oduru ho no what to addition anymore.
Our goal is to end the canker of street children as we provide a conducive environment for teaching, learning, and skills development for these children. This is in line with government policy on gender, children, and social protection, where major interventions have been made under our administration. And we hope to do even more come next year by the grace of God when I form a new government. Our goal is to end the canker of street children.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia.
Nana no mo ewo kuma se yesu amidwom ba ntama ene wonu me kan resu koso wo mo so kasa wen na kasa yi nana chewa na wonu kasa ni nyina so pemso na se to ababio na santen ne ifi schedule nunu ya wodie no hye ho fa nana no mu enso ede ano atomu bie se nkebe ya Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia o petua pemu ya obedi na kiredi a konko fa mamia kosie frima no ba panyini ayo ani nana chewa kasa
kusaya na ya my phone only the made na ya traffic say you was within 25 years. I won't be ever. A young baby, but I don't know about her. Yes, a young race course getting in Amu. I'm not Yawa. Sabayan, you may be a word, and I will have a free of women and Chayabano. Because of who are race course on the banner. There's a race course for the free Babu Bryan Day. And only you might be able to have a fear that they just what they did a race course. That Paul Tamila just you, and Makai just you, and Nama just you, Bodia just you, Banchia just you, Fish I just you, I just see one in the chin baby. I tried to before the say, and they said, yes, I race course, Gumhan. Yeah, super. Your mammy for more, Mammy, you see, I'm on chain. And so I blame yeah, that's say a better fair mammy. What you can't be about my race course, but concentration from which Matthew and I don't say, and you say, I have not to me, Mohammed Digger, and so far. Now you have to it's so far, you know,
yo, Nana Chewa, and yet in a canoe assembly, the Wakan, and so in fact, Tiafaso. Na yet was no matter to the Kakraka. And I bet and said, they just said the beer will nip a baby. I would see him. Would give any. I'm only dear no nip a beer from. And he Jinasun Naya Camo beer to say, what any idea we are over plat. Now we soon be a see a genum. I'm a Ganaya fed. Obi Baba Tadi and a Genunafa. Or bar, what did Tono Prano, and Yanika. Now so Bane Jano a more fair. Now we nip a beer so what's here. I did Tono a queer, Emma and Nijay. It's here, the Jinaso Assam, a Jum, so I know my cable for other room. And I a problem now, I would have found a to do a Am I what Jom Swami, Bantama, and a risk?
I was saying, call and Finfin Mantamamo, approach for ya walk as Swa and an important Mabomodema, one Saka, or be a fencer, Bellord, Ababu, ya, also say, or Serenibia, a cano, a war, Millennium City, no, Penny, Wakahubi. Na and some no, Akoya Baby, Moamosha TV, no, I will host 70 as a fence on pay, Yadibi, a mamon video, no, said ya open so no, Yama Hunosa, every say a Yamojasem, and a Yakahuasam, no. Now, for the crowd tab on your watch so much rule ya friend say Ben Lord Ababioi ya omugiri say basabasa ye koso e masrani and the one cat as for who be mo no opani utimu akotiri pa ebinim ka ho nanso aprosi for no edinsia kandam say kwan bia so koso ro meko ho wo chefam so omso be chefam bi ama de ho nyina so yetimi ho na ebusa wo dance ni bia na wo ho say ede pa na wo hunu say e koso na kakra be na betimi ama ye na etie fon so sa ka bi
no uruma as a mamudini ya nim brother ne de summit on the di anim beto asase no e de ma ne brother no we so jani no na asase no ye wo enne no mo ka se omo beba ho nti omo ba ye ne ye koye no na obi mo ye den ye so adwuma guy ba ko ba ne fe no fifi no ba no so ono de ompene mo ntrase nka asem bia no on de oye na adwuma na so jan so okay se mo ye mo adwuma dia ye ko police station enti mo se asem no police station dia ye ko na fifi no se ene o mo nyina abeko enti o mo ye so o mo ko na Ben Lord e ba ho ti Ben Lord be duru wa na o se na me kura me gina baabi na o se o wo ndego wo se wo maka kire se wo meye wade no oda the boys no mo ba ye ne guys na o mo gina o se o mo mro me to mo fa plastic chairs any bench bia na esi ho omo promise apamo me free site ne so say asem na ngasa na e original commander ne nsem but aha no o ase o ma yi asem me free adeko nto police ni bi kura o ha di adanse say soldiers ni wura inside obi say region ne kwan no he ni o mo kire no nto wo tu car no a o pia free mo a okọ region na e na Ben Lord no ekogina car nanim ebo ni tuo wa kire car no na si wa mo nyina mo ni nti me kura no na the way omo bro me no na me drive but the police for be kwa be gina me no ka say me time ku anya say be ha me investigations are maye ene ade a asi nyina kire say omakuma brante no no office wa na ni wo say ndego atasa sama na oba say yabun na so o ya de boss o me go for the yejuma na me ko akwere ko me ko ya na one Ben Lord only fifi and some langas be by
besum na umbo bisa damsipo aden okay and me ya say me ko akoya de ko me ko anu mu ni ho bidu mo bisa na me say sega fona sega fo bido ho ndo minyo dem hu ya dem wa dem say o mo bo sega ni o me mi sa o mo bo ba kutu e ma wafim dem sisa e ti be ba po so be bisa ye say me ba ba chaki me ba na ye fonu imunu e ko
anopai me kanfo dia ma wo se sabre ebere nkoi bia afena no nsia epa ho sima aduonu mienu ne ade pensionyunu bi bo ne sim sisia yenkorabata na doson wuduru ho a yare bia ha obia no ebejewo ade afrimu ne mom de agye ho abasobode pa no ene yare a yefre ne sciatica no ye ne sciatica expert ne yenkorabata na doson ehwemu afa ne padua no ho bia ye ho adwuma yare bia nso ye ho adwuma 0540 311 na ya joso anopai ya ema wure mfise woni Dr. Salas ebo mpunimpo a na onsa kamizo 5G de afra na afenso de yamfra ye ewo ho for all your programs 0246270221 0246270221 se bia woni mo bia ayamtim sisiyade koko ani ade na hano a baba ne se obekamfo 3A Herbal Center wona dra your friend se koko master no ede amano se otobi ma onipakora sa ne ma maboboso ibi na hano a obeda wase ne nkwana nyina efrese wo bia sa atopa ye bi awura ni nipadua mu no ani gye ne ahurusie nko a ene ode namate asefo asase so ye de no so wono mo a emfa wo yam nti wono mo a obetimi atukwan akoba bia ya wo pese ukọ nyame ya adro na weduru fi asomdwe mu a wa ye niam boko 0546107107 0546107107 Mr. Heba Kolinak Dan Heba Enuachi Apedank
Asante abua benedict na esamu for penny aso penny wono na jebre hihema ye kuku Veronica Jandon so betina fidie na chi safo kantanka ne Kelvin obo adwuma MC aho adamasi bebre ohini ni amakwancha dazo so for mami premier ne mene
nana kwabena kese
21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo